Guys, today I'm taking a look at some high-res headphones from OneOdio. And you know what, guys? They are really kind of nice. Why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up, YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, if you don't know OneOdio, these guys make some pretty high earbuds and headphones. And today, guys, I'm taking a look at these A10 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones. And at first view, they look pretty nice indeed. Now guys, before we get into it, OneOdio sent me these cool cans in exchange for my honest review. And you know what, guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. Now, first off, guys, you get a lovely carry case for these headphones so you can, well, carry them around. Now open it up and you have some instructions, a 3.5 to 3.5mm audio cable. Now these are high-res Bluetooth headphones, but should you have a device with a 3.5mm jack, then cables are always going to be good. You also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Then guys, you have the headphones themselves. Now first off, these feel light in the hands, but they kind of feel premium to the touch, and that's a good thing because there's a lot of plastic going on here, but you kind of have some nice metal in here and you have some metal on the sides here where it all folds, and you know what, it feels quite solid. Now looking at the ear cups, again, they feel pretty good and they also feel premium. They've got a nice squeeze to them and they're pretty soft. And guys, you get your left and right, I don't know if you can see that, but you get your left and right in each of the cups so you know what's going on. Now, taking a close look on the buttons, I really like the power button. It has actual indentation that you'll be able to feel when it's on your head. So you know what, I like that feature because sometimes you can't distinguish between the power button or the volume button or really, you know, any of the buttons, right? So it's nice to have that kind of, you know what button's what. Now, just above the power button, you have the volume control up and you have volume control down. Then you have your 3.5mm audio jack. And you know what, guys, you're going to be happy to know that these buttons will also control play, pause, forward track and reverse track. You got your voice assistant, in my case it's Siri. And guys, you know what, it's really nice to have physical controls over touch and tap. On the left ear cup, you'll have your ANC mode switch, and then you've got your USB-C charging point. So guys, I know that you're going to want a few specs. So here goes. You get multi-point Bluetooth 5. Multi-point? Yeah, simply means you can stay connected to two devices at the same time. So no kind of switching to one, then you got to switch and pair off or switch off to the other one. You know, both devices, two devices can stay connected at the same time. So if you're using these for, you know, Zoom calls or, you know, Google Meet calls or whatever, video conference calls or something like that, you can still be connected to your computer and you can still be connected to your sounds as well. So nice touch. You also get hybrid active noise cancellation. You have transparency mode, so you can still hear the world around you. And of course, any important information like travel announcements and things like that. You also get high-res audio, and you know, without getting into too much technicality, in fact, if you want the technicality, leave me a comment in the comments section. But you know, high-res audio is literally just means you're going to get better sound quality than a CD, if any of you remember CDs, right? They're not that old. Well, maybe 40 years. But anyway, CDs are sampled at 44.1 kilohertz and 16 bits of audio depth. Now, high res usually operates at up to 192 kilohertz, I should say, and a sample rate of up to 24-bit. So guys, you also get 50 hours of battery time. Now, 50 hours is a long time, right? Your mileage is going to vary depending on a bunch of variables, including ANC mode. But that said, guys, a quick 10-minute charge to these beautiful headphones adds another 5.5 hours of playback time. So you know what, even if they're dead and you've got to like pop out, you've got to pop out for a run, you've got to jump on a call, you've got to do something, even take a train somewhere or a bus or whatever, 10 minutes for 5.5 hours, I think that's pretty cool. And of course, guys, you can make and take calls with these. And I did. And you know what? Everybody that I spoke to said they could hear me loud and clear. So I like that. Now, what about the audio quality? Well, pretty good, really. Pairing these up to my iPhone via Bluetooth, and I can tell you now, everything sounded great. I can tell you that they sound really nice. You get a nice amount of bass, not head thumping so that you got blood pumping out of your ears, but certainly, you know, a nice presence of bass. And the mids and highs are really nice as well. So I'd like to say smooth and tight, but I thought about saying that and now I've said it. So yeah, smooth and tight. And flicking through all of the controls was really, really easy. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. There are a ton of good things to say about these A10s from OneOdio. They're a really nice set of cans, they're great sounding, and you know what? They won't break the bank. And in fact, at the time of making this video, you can grab these bad boy A10s for around 72 of the good old King's pounds. Yeah, not the Queen's pounds anymore. And guys, although not a deal breaker, it would have been nice to have had some sensors in here for detecting when you're wearing them. Now, I've reviewed a lot of earbuds, and you know what? When you remove them, the music stops and starts when you put them back on again. I reckon this would have been a really nice touch, because you don't want to like take them off and everything's still going on. You kind of want them to sort of intelligently switch. So I think, you know, maybe that's a nice touch for maybe a future model or a firmware update or something. I expect it'll probably need some hardware because it needs some sensors somehow. But guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really makes a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks to you for watching. Thanks to OneOdio for sending me these rather cool high-res headphones to review. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.